Welcome to Behavior Smart. In this tutorial I will show you how to set up Behavior Smart. Let's go. First, select the Service Setup tab from the main menu. In the Service Singular box, state the type of service you are. For example, school, children's home, nursing home, etc. For this example we are going to be a school. In the plural box we would input schools. In the Service User Singular box, we will write student. And in the Service User Plural box, we will write students. Select the day and month your year starts. In this example we will say the 1st of September. Select the years or groups you would like to record incidents for. In this example we are a secondary school, and we work with students from Year 7 to Year 13. In the Behavior Leads section we list the people who will automatically receive copies of the incident reports produced in Behavior Smart. Complete the details and click the Add button. You can add as many people as you want, and easily delete people if required. Now it's time to add the de-escalation techniques that are used in your service. Add your own, or hover over the tooltip for some suggestions. In this example we will add humor. Choices: calm talking and empathy. These can be edited later. If your service uses physical interventions, these can be added here. In this example we will add guided escort, figure of 4, and elbow support. These can also be edited later. You can also manage your subscription from this page. Click the Save button, and you are ready to enjoy using Behavior Smart. Be smart about behavior with Behavior Smart. Please visit our website for more details.